Alright, car's getting the car wash. It's raining. Hello again, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wayne, and this episode is because a subscriber had reached out to me and he wanted me to do a video on getting your car washed, bring it to a car wash or a business where they wash your car either by hand or you use a machine. And there's a few things that you need to do when you're at this car wash, what you should have on, what you should turn off. So we're gonna go over a few things. And let me go ahead by changing the camera view and just going through a few of the things that need to be shut off for you to have your car washed and there's no water getting inside the car, any kind of damage or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you probably want to do, so what we're going to disable, and it shouldn't be on, but you probably want to make sure that it's off, is the distance assist or Distronic Plus, which is here on your steering wheel. Let me zoom out on the left hand side. So let's look at the dash, see what happens when you turn on. That's on, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it off. We want to make sure that's turned off. The next thing that you're going to do, if the car is in drive, and I'm gonna push my foot down on the brake pedal, and you notice that there's a hold that comes on in the car, and you want to make sure that's off as well. So one way you can do that, take your foot off the gas, and that comes off. So make sure that's turned off. We want to make sure that the all the windows are closed. Everything is closed. There's nothing that's open. The next thing that you probably want to do, you want to make sure that your windshield wiper is turned off. Right now it's an automatic. All right, we want to go ahead and just make sure it's turned off completely so it doesn't activate while it's going through the washing machine. Ultimately, the attendant's going to come to you and says, put the car in neutral. He's going to drive it. He's going to take it from you. He's going to drive it. And then what he's going to do, he's going to put the car in neutral. So know that the washing machine, the rails will actually catch your tire and actually pull it through the car wash so it can get washed. The camera is not such a big deal. You have the 360 degree camera. You have the parking camera. Let's go into the vehicle settings. Go to home button. We'll go to vehicle. You don't have to worry too much about this. Go into assistant. Go down to camera. This, you basically leave it alone. Don't need to do this. Just leave it alone. Come out of that. The other camera, of course, which is here, you don't have to do anything here. It basically shows you the camera all around the car. You don't have to do anything with that. So we can basically just come out of that. All right, notice that the ventilation is on. We want to go ahead and we want to turn that off. We'll come over here. We're going to push down and we just watch the number go down until it's completely off. And the last but not least, the key should be away from the car at least 10 feet. But more than likely, when you go into a car wash, the car is in the track on the rails getting washed, and you're behind the window glass walking through with your car as it is getting washed. So that's pretty much sufficient. You're pretty much good to go with that. And that's all there is to it. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon.